WEA-289. Wireless weather station with colorful screen display. To start, it is suggested to set all the 3 sensors and channels before turning on the main unit. Insert the batteries with the correct polarity into the battery compartment. Press CH button at the back of the sensors to set the channel 1, 2, and 3 accordingly. The channel number should appear at the left-hand side of the humidity to indicate which channel is it using. Know the main unit's function keys. SNZ/light button. Set button. Up button. Down button. Channel button. Insert the USB line connector into the connection socket of the main unit. Or insert the batteries with the correct polarity into the battery compartment of main unit to turn it on. After turning on the main unit, it will automatically receive the signals from the sensors. Time and date settings. Press and hold set button for about 3 seconds to enter the time setting mode. Press up or down button to adjust the time. Press set again to confirm the setting and go on for the next setting. Setting order is hour, minute, year, month, day, 12 or 24 hour. Exit. Press set to confirm the setting and go on for next setting. Setting will be auto-saved once without any operation for 20 seconds. Alarm time setting. Press set button once to switch to alarm time display. Press up and down button to adjust the time. Alarm symbol will be displayed. Press set button again to confirm the setting and go on to the next setting. Setting order is hour, minute, exit. Setting will be auto-saved once without any operation for 20 seconds.